Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Lego Batman from the new video game Legacy of the Dark Knight. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Lego Batman from Legacy of the Dark Knight, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin right here and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. Leave a little bit of space. I'll do that same thing, just kind of do the opposite. I'll bring it up this time. Kind of make a line that's going to come down and around. Same thing here, kind of bring this line down, over, and then up. Leave a little bit of space and we'll kind of bring this line up. Kind of same thing, leave that space and then bring this line into here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. We'll make two little lines that come up here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to go down, over, and then up to here. Make a diagonal line for the mouth. And another little line down here that we connect. Little line right there. Make this line come down and into here. And this line come down and into here. For his ears, I'm going to make this line come up, and then I'm going to make this line come up. We're going to bring this down to here, and then we'll bring this one down to here. I'll make another little line here and one here. Then we're just going to connect this across. Then we can go ahead and just connect this across. Now for the body, let's bring this line down. We're going to come over and then up here. We'll curve this line out and in, and then we'll curve this line out and in. We'll make almost like an upside down U shape for the hands. We just kind of go down, curve it around, and then connect. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out on both sides for the top of the legs. And we're going to bring this across. We'll make two little lines down here, kind of where the legs separate. Bring this line down and this line down. Bring this line down and this line down. We'll connect them here. And I'm going to make a little V shape here with a line down, kind of give them a little more of a three-dimensional look. We're going to make a little rectangle shape here and a little rectangle shape right here. Another V shape and a line down. Now for his cape, let's just bring this line down. We're going to make some zigzags. And then we'll bring this line down and we'll make some zigzags. Now right across here, we're going to make his belt. So we'll make a line. We're going to make 1 and 2 lines and 1 and 2 lines. We'll make these little kind of geometric patterns right across there. And then a little line here. Now on his chest, we're going to go ahead and just make like an oval shape for the Batman logo. We'll make 2 little points, some curves. We're going to kind of bring this all the way out for the wings. And then we'll curve these up. And we'll make a little point in there. Then the final thing, I'm just going to make a line down here and a line down here by his eyes. And there you go, there's your drawing of Lego Batman from Legacy of the Dark Knight video game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.